The benefits of apple cider vinegar for diabetes. Diabetes is a medical condition where the body struggles to regulate its blood sugar levels. Over time, this can cause nerve damage, tissue death, heart disease, eyesight problems, and many other health issues. Fortunately, there are natural remedies and nutrients which can help with this problem. Apple cider vinegar is one such remedy which can be used to help control your blood sugars. And that's exactly what we will discuss in today's video. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor before supplementing along with your medication. Now, diabetes is a situation where a hormone called insulin is not communicating properly with the cells. This is what we call insulin resistance and is the cause of diabetes and high blood sugars. The problem is that if high blood sugars are left untreated for long periods of time, the nerves, blood vessels, tissues and organs in your body become damaged. This increases the risk of heart attacks and strokes. It also weakens the nervous system, causes swelling to the brain, and damages the kidneys, the liver, pancreas and other organs. As I previously mentioned, apple cider vinegar is a form of apple juice that has been fermented into vinegar. This fermentation process removes all of the natural sugars to produce acetic acid. When you drink this healthy acid, it helps to make your insulin hormone more sensitive in order to control your blood sugars and prevent hyper or hypoglycemia. It's best to mix 1 tablespoon of raw, unfiltered apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and then drink this before each meal. This will help your body to digest carbohydrates, proteins and fats whilst maintaining normal blood sugar levels. I recommend using a straw to protect your tooth enamel from the acid as it's quite harsh. You see, by helping to reduce insulin resistance and improving your blood sugars, apple cider vinegar also has the positive side effect of supporting healthy weight loss too. Another way to get this is by mixing apple cider vinegar with extra virgin olive oil to make a delicious salad dressing. Eating this will help your stomach extract and absorb more nutrients from vegetables that will further improve your diabetes, like potassium for example. Additional health benefits. In addition to supporting diabetes, apple cider vinegar is also known for a wide range of other health benefits as well. Some examples include reducing acid reflux, GERD and indigestion, boosting the immune system against viruses and bacteria, reducing bloating and gas, stimulating the release of bile from your gallbladder which helps to digest fats, stimulating enzyme release from your pancreas, killing internal parasites inside your stomach, preventing athlete's foot and fungal overgrowth, and also boosting the health of your skin, amongst many others. In my other videos, I discuss a range of remedies, herbs and nutrients to help reverse insulin resistance and manage diabetes. If you want to learn more about the best 12 vitamins for diabetes in more detail, go ahead and tap on this video on the screen now. Thank you so much for watching my video, and as always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.